Hello friends, today's topic invested in 10 mutual funds. Is it right? I am Dr. Bharat Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. As all of you know, we keep conducting question answer sessions free of cost in the YouTube. And yesterday we did a video on mutual funds and the profitability. Large number of people asked questions. Many of them could not be answered. And today we are picking up some more questions which are useful for everybody. The first question was as follows. Sir, to get an average return from mutual funds, I've invested in 10 mutual funds. Is it good or bad? Our comments. Number one, having 10 different mutual fund schemes is too much. Ideally, even if you want to diversify, you must have only around 5 to 6 different funds. This is like having 25 stocks. If you diversify too much, then the returns will be impacted. You may not get very good returns. Two, this is why understanding mutual funds thoroughly is important, but also a mutual fund advisor useful to remove confusion and guide you with their experience. Three, either take a help of a good advisor or take a lot of time to study which funds to continue, which funds to discontinue, and reduce the number of funds for better returns as well as better management. The second question regarding the mutual fund is as follows. Sir, I have 20 lakhs. Can I make it one-time payment in mutual funds? Please guide me. Our comments. Number one, good that you are interested in investing in mutual funds. However, 5 years is on the lower side in terms of duration of investment. The shorter the duration, higher the risk of equity funds. Returns may not be very good for such a period. 2. If possible, try to hold for 8 to 10 years to maximize the benefit of the investment. 3. If you need some amount for your regular expenses and hence you want to invest for 5 years, then it is better to do SWP every month after 5 years so that you withdraw a portion of your corpus and the rest can stay invested so that it can grow further. 4. If you want to be considered for our free guidance and hand-holding for mutual fund investment, you can send a WhatsApp message to our office number 9900000046, the prescribed format as mentioned in yesterday's live video. Yesterday's live video was in Kannada, mutual ಫಂಡ್ಗಳಿಂದಲೂ ಕೋಟಿಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ಸಂಪಾದಿಸಬಹುದೇ ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ. The next question is as follows. Sir, I am investing in Sukanya Samruddhi scheme every month 5,000. Same amount shall I invest in stocks or mutual funds? Please inform. Our comments. Number one, you must be investing in Sukanya Samruddhi scheme for your daughter's education and marriage. The current interest rate on Sukanya Samruddhi scheme is 8.2% per annum. 2. If you have a vision of investing and holding at least for 10 to 15 years, at least until the daughter's age is 18, then stocks or mutual funds are better in terms of returns. 3. This is assuming that the knowledge of stocks or mutual fund is good and you know which stocks or mutual funds to invest. 4. So it is wise for you to learn how to invest in stocks and mutual funds. 5. Another point to note is interest rate on Sukanya Samruddhi scheme keeps getting revised every quarter, hence it could be reduced in the coming years. The next question, which is going to be very useful for everybody, is in one of your videos, you mentioned that mutual fund companies having surplus amount which is to be invested. If money is kept idle for long duration, is it not incurring loss to investors? Our comments. Number one, fund managers will decide when to invest surplus money that they hold based on the data and research they do. 2. Just because they have surplus, it does not mean that they should invest immediately. They may wait for some months and invest in a staggered manner depending on the market movement. 3. Majority of money is usually invested in stock market or other instruments. A small percentage of AUM held in cash will not significantly impact returns in the long term. 4. Sometimes fund managers may feel that it is better to hold cash than invest in stocks which are trading at high valuation. This is usually the reason for holding cash. They may be waiting for some correction too. The last question of this episode is, I am 43 years old now. I want to invest rupees 10,000 per month in mutual funds. What kind of funds should I invest in? Our comments. Number one, Information is not sufficient to give a comprehensive answer. However, making few assumptions to answer your questions. 2. We are assuming that I can invest this money till the age of 60. So 17 years duration for investment. 3. You can invest in a combination of large cap, mid cap and small cap funds. 4. Maybe more money can be invested in large cap and mid cap funds and a smaller amount can be allocated for small cap funds. 5. You must be patient the first 5 years, especially since the returns may not be great the initial years of investment. 6. Apart from a SIP of 10,000, if you can invest a lump sum amount of 5 to 10 lakhs, then it will help you create a larger corpus since 10,000 is not very big amount for a 43-year-old person. 7. If you have good knowledge and can do research on your own, then go ahead. But if you are not confident, take the help of an advisor to ensure that you succeed and not make mistakes during the investment journey. End of the video, here is the question. If you have children, in which instrument are you investing for their future expenses? Type in the comment section. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.